I glued the parts together for this Maloo flowback a couple days ago, and then yesterday I did a lot of sculpting with a rough file, knocking off all these edges and rounding things. There's a lot more. These legs will end up being mostly round when I'm finished. But around these seat joints, you have this situation here. And the way I took care of this, let me just show you how I treated this area here. And I'm just going back to this point here, and clearing out this whole edge here. Let me just do it like that. So I've got to get this area down flat, even with this flat area here. And this will be all rounded over as well. So there's a lot of handwork here to remove material. Goes. This will be just really rounded over, and you can see these ebony dowels that I covered the wood screw. Those all have to be cleared out, flattened, and it'll be rounded right into that ebony peg. I may also get out the spoke shave to do some of this rounding here, because it gets a little tedious taking all that material off with a file. Okay, well, you get the idea of what happens here.